Ravana abducted Sita and was flying back to Lanka on his chariot. Midway, he found Jatayu blocking his way. After a battle between the both, Ravana defeated Jatayu, cut off his wings, and moved forward. The war-ravaged Jatayu fell to the ground. After some time, when Shri Rama came to the place searching for Sita, he found Jatayu covered in blood. Jatayu told him what happened and directed the way to which Ravana took Sita. Shri Rama completed the last rites of Jatayu and named the place Le-Pakshi. In Telugu, Le-Pakshi means rise, bird, indicating his salvation. Thousands of years later, in 1540, King Achyuta of the Vijayanagara Empire recognized the importance of the spot and ordered his governors Virupanna and Viranna to build a temple there. And that's how this marvelous piece of architecture came into place. This temple is also known as Vibhadra Le-Pakshi since it is dedicated to Lord Shiv. Vibhadra is the ferocious form of Shiv. This is the same Vibhadra who beheaded Daksha after Sati immolated herself in his court. The temple is of the architectural style of Vijayanagar. The primary temple consists of three components: the assembly hall known through many names such as the Mukh Mandap, the Natya Mandap, or the Ranga Mandap, the Ardha Mandap or the Antarala, which is the antechamber, and the Garbhagriha or the Sanctum Sanctorum. The Natya Mandap consists of 70 pillars in it. In the northeast corner of this Natya Mandir is one mysterious pillar 8 feet long. The startling part of this pillar is that it is half inches above the ground and still takes the load of the whole temple. How do we know it? Well, in British times, Britishers sent an engineer by the name Hamilton in 1902 to check the validity of this fact and, if true, to know the science behind it. When Hamilton encountered the pillar, he tried to move it, but then the whole temple started shaking. He fled from the spot, and since then no one tried to touch the pillar with the intention to know the science behind it, and it is still a mystery for scientists and archaeologists till this day. The incident, however, gave rise to tectonic changes in the exterior hall's ceiling, resulting in a distorted roof with leaning pillars. The next mysterious stop on the premises is an enormous footprint. It is said that when Ravana battled Jatayu, he took some rest and then Sita placed her foot there, carving out the print on the ground. The captivating thing about this imprint is that it is always filled with water and is wet. No one knows the source of this water. The temple also consists of a half-made Kalyana Mandap. The Kalyana Mandap is a special place made in Shaivite temples where the marriage rituals of Shiv and Devi Parvati are carried out. This tradition was started by the kings of the Vijayanagara dynasty. There is an interesting story behind why the mandap is half-built though. It is said that someone complained to King Achyuta that Virupanna is misusing the treasury of the state in constructing the temple. The king, without any inquiry about that said complaint, ordered to stop the construction immediately and take out both the eyes of Virupanna. After hearing this, Virupanna broke into tears, asking how can the king believe these rumors without any investigation. In rage, he cast out both of his eyes himself and flung them towards the wall of the Kalyana Mandap. There are 2 maroon marks on the walls, said to be the bloodstains from those bleeding eyes. Apart from that, there is a huge Nandi sculpture 200 meters away from the temple. 15 feet in height and 27 feet in width, this Nandi is the largest monolith Nandi in India. In the backyard of the temple is a Nagaling with a statue of Ganesh carved out on the side. The ling is crowned with 7-headed serpent Prabhavali. This also is the biggest monolith Nagaling in India. Legend has it that this structure was carved out of a single granite boulder by sculptors in 1 hour while their mother cooked lunch. When their mother finished cooking, she saw this amazing sculpture, praised her son, and soon a crack appeared at the base caused by her evil eye. The intricate fresco and mural paintings on the wall also add to the beauty of the temple. These are particularly detailed in bright dresses and colors with scenes of Ram and Krishna from the epics of Ramayana, Mahabharata, Puran, along with other court affairs of Vijayanagar Empire. One of the fresco has the 14 forms of Lord Shiv and is considered to be the largest in India. So, do let us know how you liked our video about this architectural marvel of a temple, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.